See, this is a wedding fair which we are organizing on the 20th and 21st of July. It would be exclusively for those people who wish to organize their weddings at the Hyderabad Marriott. And we wanted that we would give a one-stop solution to all the people who are looking out for wedding and wedding-related events. This exhibition would actually take care of all the requirements of a wedding, including your decor, including your food, including your venue setup, including the different types of things and themes which they could organize in the Marriott Hyderabad. We can chalk out the entire program of their wedding. As a special case, we have a promotion going on for these 2 dates. In case you book your wedding, which is for more than 8 lakh worth of business, you would be given a fully sponsored honeymoon by the Marriott Hyderabad. The destinations would be about 8 cities in India. In any of these Marriott hotels, you will be for a 3-night, 4-day visit. All paid expenses, including the airfare, will be organized by the hotel. The only catch is that the wedding should be more than 8 lakhs of business. On the wedding fair on both the days on 20th and 21st, after the wedding fair is over in the daytime, from 7:30 onwards, we have a fashion show which is by the Marriott and the Srivalli Jewelers, the main designers and the jewelry sponsors for the event. They would be showcasing their bridal ornaments, which will be seen by the public who would be coming over there. It is an by invitation event, and also the different exhibitions which would be there in the daytime could be seen by the general public. Marriott is organizing this for the first time, I would say, at the Hyderabad Marriott Hotel and Convention Center in such a way, and we plan to take this Hyderabad wedding, the wedding fair, as the big fat wedding. We want to make it a brand, and we would like to organize not 1 but 2 such events every year. Primarily that would be before the wedding season starts. Like this event which we are organizing is targeting the August and until the December events.